What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute. Welcome to 2025. I know it's been a minute since I posted on the YouTube, and yeah, hope all is well. All you guys are good, and yeah, not much has been happening. I've been off the bike for a minute. What time is it? What day is it? What year is it? 2025. Today is the 2nd of February. I haven't ridden this whole year. My bike has been kind of down, so just trying to work on a couple of things. I've been having fuel pump issues, KTM. So yeah, I hope that we'll be able to manage to get it up and running. Had a look at it on Friday, but we didn't get to the root of the problem, so I think I might need a fuel pump. And there's a Choma race coming up this month, so I'm trying to actually prepare for that. So yeah, today is the 2nd, so hopefully I'll have enough time to actually prepare. I think the Choma race should be on the 22nd, 21st, around that time. So yeah, that's the current plan at the moment. I just put on a new tire on I put on a new front tire on my bike. What else did I do? I also put on a new back tire some time back. So I haven't really ridden the bike. I'm waiting for some brake pads. And what else? What else? Yeah, just need a couple of things here and there. So yeah, today is one of those days. It just finished raining, so yeah, the soil looks really good. You know, ready to rip. And yeah, I was just scheming of starting up the bike. My bike's actually, the battery's also dead at the moment, so I just give it a quick charge, have a rip around the farm, and see how it's feeling. And I think we'll be able to go from there. I just got back from doing some work stuff, so yeah, let's see how it goes. What time is it? Actually, I'm supposed to organize some of the guys to go and ride with them as well. I'm supposed to ride at 3, and it's 4:47. I just got back home now, so it's kind of late for me to get back home. So yeah, let me just put on the tire, get things going, and yeah, see where we'll go from there. Away. Okay, that's the new tire. Not bad. Yeah, this one even lost shape, so you can see the direction that it's going in. It is not popping. It's not popping at all. So yeah, at least now I'll have some better grip in the front. Yeah, the back is still looking good. Still kinda not too bad. So yeah, let's get it.
Shut up and sit down.
Drives like a tractor. Yeah, that's it.
Actually, you want to just hear what it sounds like right now. But he's not giving it juice.
Oh, is it, eh?
Mm-hmm. kitted. Fully kitted. Yeah, it is. Icho. Na new helmet. Ka fast. Liche.
Shut up and sit down.
What's up guys, just a quick update. I know that this video vlog update has been a bit haywire. It's like up and down. I haven't been recording footage properly. I feel like so out of touch pretty much, if I can put it that way. But yeah, otherwise quick update. So managed to get the bike sorted, did the fuel pump issues. It's not completely 100% yet in terms of knowing what the problem was with the fuel pump, but I think we shall be Gucci for now. So we did the fuel pump issue, and then what else? We did the fuel pump, and we also did the yesterday. It's been a week actually. This is a week later update. We also, what did we do? We worked on the injectors yesterday. So cleaned the injectors, and yeah, what else? Just make sure everything is looking good in the injector body, and yeah, managed to get it started. It wouldn't start with a battery, like jump starting it, so we had to bump start it, and it started like one kick. So I think that like the system's been down for so long because it's been parked for a while. So I think the system's been down for a while, and just needs to get used again, and my battery is also not fully charged. So I think today I'm going to just work on trying to recharge the battery. Fortunately there's no electricity, so I can't really charge it, so I'll have to keep it running or ride around. And yeah, that's that. yeah, supposed to take it for a proper test ride tomorrow, just to see exactly what's going on with the fellas. Just a little enduro fun here and there. So yeah, I really want to get this video out of the way and get some other riding content as well, and just get things popping, so yeah, I think for now the bike should be okay. I don't know if it will be Choma ready, but that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow, is just test out how it's feeling here and there, put on the new tire, put on the brakes, as back brakes as well. I had to get them bonded until I get new brake pads. And what else have I done? I need new grips I need new grips, but yeah, I'll survive without them for now. I think I'll be okay. And not too much else going on. A lot of the bikes in the group have been down. Our riding group have been down, but yeah, slowly that's changing. They're coming back to life again, so hopefully we'll have a good number of people that we can actually go to Choma with. And yeah, because Choma is on the 21st or 22nd I think of February. Haven't checked the calendar properly. Yeah, so just a quick update, and yeah, I'll get some video of the bike actually running, and yeah, I'll get more footage as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see how I'll end this video. I also have to show you guys an update of the track. I haven't shown anything since a long time ago, unless you follow me on social media like WhatsApp and Facebook and Instagram. Then I usually post things there, but I'm going to make an update video of what's been going on at the track. And yeah, chill guys. Alright, the beast is here, alive, and yeah, kind of doing well. Haven't watched it. There was no electricity yesterday, so we'll do that today after the ride. Yeah, not looking good, but yeah, otherwise we're pushing. Let me start it up so that you can hear. So yeah, still sounds a bit rough though, but anyway, as long as we get to ride and see how it will perform today. This is a new tire, another tire. At least I've got some grip. So yeah, I'll make a video. It'll probably be a different video completely, posting riding footage. So yep, that's that.